बड़े को प्रणाम, छोटे को ढेर सारा प्यार और साथ वालों को हाय हेलो नमस्कार। मैं तृप्ता हारी हम 04 से आ गई हूँ एक नया वीडियो लेके आप लोगों के लिए और एक नया प्रोडक्ट लेके आप लोगों के लिए। बेसिकली इट्स अ किड्स टॉय और ये आइडिया मुझे तब आया जब एक दिन मैं मेरी बेटी अकेले बैठी थी और वो शी वॉज प्रिटेंडिंग दैट शी वॉज मी एंड शी वॉज ट्राइंग टू डू समथिंग इन द लैपटॉप। और वो मेरे लैपटॉप में काम कर रही थी और जो एक्सेल शीट मैंने बनाई थी या जो भी मैं काम कर रही थी उसे वो सारा ख़राब कर दिया था। बट आई कुडंट से मच बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली बच्चे ऐसे ही सीखते भी हैं और जनरली जो हम एक्टिविटीज़ करते हैं वो उनको रिपीट करते हैं। तो आई थॉट आई शुड ब्रिंग समथिंग। और ये मेरे साथ ही नहीं है, आई एम श्योर जितने भी पेरेंट्स वर्किंग हैं और जो लैपटॉप का यूज़ करते हैं तो उनके बच्चे भी उनके साथ ऐसे ही करते होंगे। टू save your laptops and also to give something creative to your kid, I have bought something really cute and really helpful for the kids, at the same time playing and learning at the same time. So what I'm talking about is a laptop. Ta-da! So it's a laptop. This is a mini version of it. I have two options available. One is this laptop, which is a mini laptop. You can see the screen. Here is the screen and these are the things that you will be getting along. So this is the keypad. As you can see, A B C D 1 2 3 4 songs, music, letters, spell, word. There are a lot of things that you can do with this laptop. So this laptop is a mini version and it's a very cute item that you can gift or you can purchase it for your own kid as well. So in case you guys want to order, this item is available at the store and you can purchase it online as well. And the second item and the second version of the same is for, I would recommend this for kids who are between 2 to 4 and I would say 1 to 3. That will be better because आजकल के बच्चे थोड़ा ज़्यादा स्मार्ट हो गए। तो I would recommend this toy for kids who are between 1 to 3 and this is the bigger version of the same and it looks very professional. It looks like a laptop. Even the working is similar. I'll show you. So there's this button where you have to press it and then it opens. Can you see? It's a cute. Even the mouse is very cute. Can you see? Like your like the mouse that you use for your laptop. Similarly आपको ये भी मिल जाता है. Even the arrow buttons and everything, up down, everything is there. The keypad is very good. There are multiple things that you can do with this laptop. There are multiple voices in which you can hear the system sound, and I would say you can learn words, 2-letter words, 3-letter words, melodies, poems, rhymes, everything you will be getting in this. And the screen is a bit bigger than the other one और इसमें ABCD 1 2 3 4 तो आपको obviously मिलने ही वाले हैं. You can see the keypad is also similar to the keypad that you guys use or generally we use. So these are the two items that I wanted to show you because मेरी daughter बहुत ज़्यादा pretend करती है कि वो मेरे को रोल प्ले करती है कि वो मैं मतलब she is me and then she does a lot of things. So I thought let's bring something for her and for the other kids who are interested और उनके लोगों को कुछ नया innovative, creative and yet something learning उनको मिल पाए. So yeah, this is available at my store. In case you guys need, please do contact me and like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a great day.